How to download and install Mixy Music Mashup app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Now, search for the app Mixy Music. Type in that and search for it. With that, app will appear. Now click on the app. You're gonna find the option of Get, or you're gonna find this arrow kind of icon. And for the Android devices, you're gonna find the option Install. You'll need to click on that. You might be prompted to use your Face ID or use your Apple ID password. Once you complete that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of this download process, you can launch it. Now you can use your Apple ID or Google and sign into the account. So this way you can easily download and install Mixy Music Mashup app. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.